welcome back. This task 7.2D of SIT 217 robotics project. It is an extension of 7.1C. In 7.1C, we have used uh, we have paired our smartphone with Bluetooth module HC05, which was connected to uh, our car, and we operated one car with our smartphone. So in this task, we are going to operate two cars with one smartphone. So these type of projects are under Swarm Robotics. So let me first give you introduction about Swarm Robotics. Swarm Robotics is nothing but a group of robots in which one is the main robot called as the master robot, and another is the secondary robot called as the slave. So slave robots, as the as the name suggests, slave robots follow the master robots. Now, master, uh, I will clarify later in this session only. So this is my introduction. So introduction. It is a digital twin of a Bluetooth car. Involves creating a virtual replica of a physical car and its environment using software and hardware components. The project utilizes an Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, and an RF module with 433 MHz frequency to enable wireless communication between the physical car and the digital twin. So this an Arduino Uno, it is for one car. Okay, for it is for one car. We have to use two Arduino Unos, this Arduino Uno and this Arduino Uno. In my project, this is my slave car and this one is the master car. Okay, in this, when I am going to give some input to my master car, it receives it and then transmit them to this slave car, right? Now the components which are used, the main components in this task is this RF module. The 433 MHz RF module is a wireless communication module that operates in the 433 MHz frequency band. That is why it has got its name. It is commonly used for short range wireless communication in various applications such as remote control systems, wireless alarm systems, home automation, and many more. Now, the data flow. The data flow, these two blocks are for the master car and these are for the slave car. Now, the input is provided to the master car via its Arduino Uno from the smartphone, we are going, or any other device. In our case, we are going to use a smartphone. Now, the instructions are then forwarded to the transmitter RF signal of 433 megahertz of the master car, which is attached to it. Then, immediately, these instructions are forwarded back. No, not forwarded back. Forwarded to the RF signal which is attached to the slave car. Then it provides information to the Arduino Uno 2, Arduino board 2 of the slave car of our whole system, and as a result, as the output, both cars start moving. Okay, now my master car, this is the circuit, and slave car, this is the circuit. I know this is not that much clear, so in my demonstration I shall be explaining these. Alright, now the master code. Master code. Now, void setup. In this, I have selected the pin mode 4, 5, 6 and 7 for the as the output pins. And like in we do C or C++ programming, we have the main block of the code. In this Arduino IDE, we have void loop. The void loop is responsible for the final execution of our program. Now these are some basic conditions. If I press F, what happens? If I press G, what happens? Now similarly, this is the slave code. These are the pin modes of 4, 6, 10 and 11. I have selected. I have also learned it from somewhere. Okay. Now these else if statements are nothing but what if I press 0 matlab, sorry, what if I press S means stop, if I press R means turning right, if I press L means turning left. These are the basic instructions which are uh, followed. Alright, these are for similarly for stop, for backward, for right, for left, and so on. You can read them. Okay, so thank you for watching my car. Now you can watch my car operating. This this is the this one. This is the master car and this is the slave car. There is you can notice there is a slight difference in the timings. This car is running a little bit faster and this is late in responding. Uh, One of the reasons is that the chassis, the tires are connect. The tires they are tightly connected, and the other one which adds the which stops them, which stops it from moving this much fast, is that is it is the slave car. Okay, it is not getting the instructions directly. It is getting instructions like this is my smartphone is giving instruction to the master car, then the master car provides instruction to this car. So that is one of the reasons it is a little bit slow, only a few few nanoseconds. Okay, so thank you. I hope you understand this.